So that was, mostly people put up this question. Oh, how do you know it is right? Are the scientists who have been there, Adi Shankaracharya, Ramanujacharya, Madhvacharya, Nimbarkacharya, Vishnu Swami, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Rupa Goswami, Jiva Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, all these people who basically have practiced this, have stated that this is originally the same. These 700 shlokas, there is no clash between any one of them. That anyone is saying, no, no, there are 500, there are 600, there are 550. No, there are 700. And you pick up any Bhagavad Gita, if you pick up the shloka only, I'm not talking about the translation. Because Krishna says very clearly, Bhaktya Mama Bijanati, a devotee can only know me. That means if you want to real authentic translation, you can only get it through a devotee. You can't get it through a person who's not a devotee. Because he'll not be able to tell you the highest. He'll tell you something, but not the highest. The highest can only be told by a devotee. And today in the market there is only one translation, which is by a devotee, easily available. Ramanujacharya also wrote purports on this, Bhagavad Gita. But to understand them is not so easy. So it has been stated that the Guru also helps you according to time, place and circumstances how to apply this knowledge. Because at those times people were more austere. Today we are less austere. So how to adjust it in our life? Today our life has become, we made it through technology, we thought it will become simple. It has become more complicated. We are actually regressing. People say we have progressed. I said, where have we progressed? We have regressed. We have become more complicated than before. Yes, productive toward regression. Productive means what? Productive, so when we become more complicated, we don't have time for our children, we don't have time for our wife, right? The wife has to work, the husband has to work. The children go haywire. Actually, people sometimes say, oh, you are basically trying to impose that wife should stay at home. Oh my God, they are actually the future builders. Why is the future going to dogs? Because there is no one to look after the future. You have sowed a seed, after that you don't think about it. Let it grow as it grows, growing like this, right? That's what's happening. Not taking care that which animal is going to come and eat it. And that's what is happening. What do animals mean? Different thoughts coming into the child. TV very good, great information, that's a, what do you say, bombardment of information. But actually you should have a filtration process also. That you should know what information to take in and what not to take in. Now a child sits down in front of the TV, he takes in everything because he's got no filters. Right, Prabhu? Sorry. No, that's wrong. That parents think my child knows a lot. Gone. He should know only the right things. Because he still does not have the intelligence to understand what is right and what is wrong. Is it right or not? Why do you having all these problems? I was reading that one report that about 500,000 or some murders are seen by a kid by the time he becomes 20 or 21 in America. That means he becomes like a butcher. He doesn't think murder to be a very big thing. He sees it. He can do it. So, sometimes people say, oh, regulations actually bind us. Why is America better than India? Because everyone follows the regulations here. Right or wrong? So why do you blame regulations? Because my cousin of mine was saying, oh, in India's problem with India is this, that people don't follow the regulations. Here you are following regulations, that's why you are independent. But if I talk of the regulations, then you don't talk to me. Regulations never bind you. Rules actually free you. Remember one thing. Rules. Why did people easily become devotees in states when Prabhupada came here? Because they had the habit of following rules. We have a big problem on not following rules in India. That is why we can't follow spiritual rules also. That's a big problem because their mentality set was there. Yes, for attaining anything, we have to go through rules. They used to think on that level. That's how they used to think. Okay?